All right, HVACers. Gee whiz, what a busy week. I know I haven't got anything up. I've been trying my best just to keep up this week. Got a lot going on, work, a lot of stuff going on with family. It's just pure busy. Anyway, I had got something on my heart. I've been thinking about it, and I got a challenge. I got a challenge for all of you HVAC parents out there. It's super crucial and important that we spend time with our family and our kids. You know, that we're putting that time in with our spouse. It's also very important we're putting that time in with our children and making sure that we are being an active part of their life and what they do and just their learning. You know, it is your responsibility as a parent to help cultivate and guide that child into, you know, the person they're supposed to be, and so that they can be equipped to have skills in their life. It's nobody else's responsibility but yours, in my opinion, to make sure that you're giving your children what they need so that they have the tools to succeed in their life. So, the challenge I have is every day, as best you can. I know that sometimes we work a lot of overtime. We've got, you know, after hours projects. I get it. I'm saying on the days that you can, where you are home, teach your child or your children one skill, or talk to them about one skill. And even if, say it's a big skill that they're not going to learn just like that, fine. Stretch it out and have them learn and develop that skill over a week or whatever time frame is necessary. But take that challenge. Don't do it through other means. Don't have someone else do it. Don't try to give them something else to let them learn it. No, put your hands in there with them and help them physically teach them yourself. You know, I know that, you know, and make it age appropriate. You know, a teenage kids are gonna have a different skill sets that they need to be learning or can learn or are ready to learn that, say, you know, a younger toddler age child isn't. You know, if they are in their teens, you know, just something as simple as, you know, vehicle maintenance. If you don't know yourself, fine, you find out, right? Or just whatever fits you that you can teach them, you know, whether it's just some kind of skill, some kind of ability they can carry on throughout their life. And when they look back later in life, they can look back and say that, oh yeah, you know, my parents, or they taught me that. They made sure I knew that. They gave that to me. And then that gives them inspiration to possibly do that for your grandkids one day. But take that time. That time is just so critically important. And we have so much that goes on in our lives today. We get so wrapped up in all the busyness and everything that, you know, we get tired, we get grumpy, and it's easier just to give them something else to preoccupy them so they're not bothering you. But I say challenge that, okay? Challenge it. Make the time. Please. Take the challenge. Make the time. Help your children grow and develop. And if that means that you have to grow and develop to help them grow and develop, then so be it. Do it. You know, don't make an excuse. Just do it. Like I said, you know, you've got individual skill sets that other people or you know, don't have, or that make you strong in what you do, right? That's a perfect place to start. Start in the places you're strong at. Create the habit. Create the time spent. You know, have them just be with them. Be with them. Spend the time. Put it in. And I think your children are gonna greatly appreciate you and thank you for it later in your life. And please don't underestimate that ever. And just don't. There will be a day, whether they're rebellious teens now or whatever, there's gonna be a day come when they're gonna thank you for those things. And it's gonna mean everything to them, because that might be the thing that helps them get the career that they want, that all the other kids that they're competing against, parents didn't put the time in to make sure they were taken care of. And that one skill could change your child's life for the rest of their life. And you never know what skill that's going to be. You never know what that thing is going to be until you just try. Alright, I'll close out with that. Hopefully I'll get some more videos up soon. But we'll see. Appreciate it, guys. I love all of you. Please like, subscribe, comment, whatever. I really appreciate the support. Also, we broke 500 subscribers on the channel this week. Super happy. I really appreciate all the support that's been coming in from everybody. It's been awesome, and this is what I'm here to do. So, thanks, guys.